Hey, on this video I'm gonna be removing and replacing interior lights with LED bulb on this Nissan Rogue. So this is the old bulb right here, and it's not as bright as LED lights. So this is the tool I'm gonna be using. You can either use this tool or you can use a flat tip screwdriver, and all you do from this edge right here, you're just gonna apply, and when you apply like this, is the cover is gonna pop out. The reason why it's pop up, let me show you the tips on the tabs on this cover, so you can be careful when you're removing the cover, that way you don't break the tabs. So there are 3 tabs, 2 on one side and 1 on the other side. So the one on this side, it goes inside on this hole right there, and these other 2 tabs, they clip on another, they click like there. So when you apply, you just unhooking from those 2 tabs, and by doing that you're not gonna break the cover. So this is the old bulb that we are going to be replacing with the LED. And all you do, you place that little tablet there, it's going to come out. It's a little spring, and when you place it, decompress, and the bulb is gonna come right out. So make sure the bulb is off. This is the LED bulb that we're going to be installing, and because of camera and everything, one hand and all that, I'm just going to go ahead and do it, and you're gonna see it installed. So we're gonna go from it's not there to it's there. Look at that. So all I did is just place that little spring right there, and the bulb is going to get in there in place carefully without breaking anything, and you can adjust the angle. So let's go ahead and test it. And as you can see, the LED bulb is super bright, and this makes your car interior super outstanding. And when you're installing the cover, it's the same way. You line up that one tab on one end, make sure you get inside the hole, and all the other tabs you're just going to place, and they are going to click in place just like that. And that's how you remove and replace interior light or the LED light on Nissan Rogue. Let's go ahead and test it out. It's super bright, as you can see, and compare with the old bulb here. You can compare with the LED, so LED wins, and that's how you do it. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, make sure you subscribe and continue supporting this channel. God bless you.